Only scientist who have become the president.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the only scientist who become the president of India.
Name any three scholars who have been the president of India.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam were three scholars who have been the president of India.
Who is called the missile man of India?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is called the missile man of India.
True or false? Kalam was born in a high class family.
False.
Kalam was 8 years old when the Second World War broke out.
True.
India joined the Allied force.
True.
Jalaluddin helped Kalam earn his first wages.
False.
Kalam is now ashamed of how he earned his own money for the first time.
True.
Ashamed हो गए थे, शर्मिंदा हो गए थे.
No, false.
False. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in a Tamil family at Rameswaram in Madras.
True.
Who were the parents of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam?
Jalaluddin and Asama were the parents of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
When was his ancestral house built?
His ancestral house was built in the middle of 19th century.
When did the Second World War broke out?
Second World War broke out in 1939.
True or false? Kalam had three close friends, Ramanand Shastri, Arvindo and Shiva Prakasan.
True.
All the three boys were from Orthodox Hindu Brahmins families.
True.
The ancestral business of their family was cooking.
False.
Events from the Ramayana and from the life of the prophet were the bedtime stories that his mother and grandmother used to tell the children.
True.
Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words from the text. Pakshi Lakshman Shastri was the high dash of Rameswaram temple.
Priest.
During the annual ceremony of our family used to arrange boats for a special perform for carrying idols from the temple to the marriage site. Sri
Sitaram Kalyanam ceremony.
Kalam used to wear dash which marked him as Muslim.
Cap.
He used to sit in front dash next to Ramanand Shastri.
Raw.
He used to sit in front of dash to Ramanand Shastri.
Raw.
What qualities did the inherit from his parents?
He inherited self-discipline and
Honesty
from his father and
faith and goodness
and deep kindness from his mother.
What was the occupation of his family?
The occupation of his family was to arrange during ceremony of
Boats during
the annual Sri Sitaram Kalyanam ceremony.